papers. Hope you're well. It's Teacher Helen again. The last time I was here, we talked about describing objects and we specifically used this structure here. Okay? So the activity I left you with, I gave you some words like house and you have to describe. I had a pillow, there was ball and others. So what were you supposed to do? You were supposed to simply say, using the structure, for example here, the house is big. Okay? I come to the pillow, you could say the pillow is soft. Okay? Then the ball, someone can describe the shape. The ball is round. Okay, so that's what you are supposed to do. I hope that's what you did. Now, putting this aside, we are moving on to another structure for today, and that is going to be, we have our structure here. It is going to be, is the, that is a question. Okay? Then we shall have the response. Yes, with a comma, it is. Or the response could be negative. No, it is not. So, we have our structure, which is a question, and then we have the responses. One of the responses could be a positive one, and then the other could be a negative one, depending on what you have been asked. Examples. Looking at the structure that we had the last time, that's where we are going to get our questions from. For example, there we have, the house is big. How are we going to form a question from this? Someone could say, using the structure up here, is the house big? That is a question. Is the house big? Now, any of these two responses could be your response. If it is big, we are going to say yes. Remember, when you give your response as yes, it is followed by a comma. If your response is no, it is followed by a comma. So we are saying yes, it is. Meaning the house is big. Example 2, I could have is the pillow hard? Because the pillow is soft, like we have said there, here the response is going to be no, followed by a comma. It is not. Okay? I could go to example 3. Example 3 says, is the ball triangular? Make sure there is a question mark because it's a question. Is the ball triangular? Look at the ball around you. Is it triangular? I expect a no. So we simply say, no, it is not. Okay? So that's what we are having today. And straight away, I'm going to give you the activity. As you're doing the activity, you read through. You can get your sibling, your little sibling or your bigger sibling, and you ask them the question, then you check out if they're giving you the correct response. Remember, the responses could be yes, it is, or it could be no, it is not, depending on the question that they have asked. So we have our activity here. The instructions are very simple. Give the response. To the questions below. Okay. So number 1, it says, is the house clean? Look around you. Is it clean or dirty? So for the purposes of having the same one, I'm going to put what I expect, the response I expect from you in the brackets. So it should be a yes. But remember to follow through the response that has been given to us here. Question 2. Is the table heavy? I'm guiding you of the answer that I expect from you, which is written in the brackets. I move to C. Is the book triangular? Guiding answer is just there. Then I go to D. Is the doll beautiful? This is the question. Guiding answer is there. Then I move to the next. Is the tire flat? Guiding answer is in the brackets. Is the knife blunt? Guiding answer in the brackets. Is the window wide? Lastly, is the bicycle new? Guiding answer in the brackets. So, like number 1, it says, is the house clean? The guiding answer is yes. So I expect you to say, yes, it is. Then I come to this last number here. Is the bicycle new? The guiding answer is no. What do I expect from you? No, it is not. Okay? Remember to write well. Remember to punctuate your sentences. Ask these questions. Get a partner. You can be 2. Ask your sibling. And then you see if they're giving you the correct responses. Keep practicing and know which response to give when you've been asked a question. Thank you very much. See you next time.